everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Turn on flight mode and then turn it off to reset your network. Open your mobile settings and tap on battery. Enable low power mode. In your mobile settings, go to notifications. Tap on show previews and set it to always. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Ensure allow notifications is enabled. Make sure the sound is enabled and check other necessary notification settings. Open WhatsApp and go to settings from the bottom right corner. Tap on notifications. Ensure show notifications is turned on. Open your mobile settings. Tap on general. Tap on background app refresh and make sure it is turned on. Scroll down to WhatsApp and ensure it is enabled. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.